Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm battery above 20% and plug in the original cable. Power off the Oppo and immediately hold volume down plus power to boot recovery. You must hold until the recovery menu appears. Once done, make sure you recognize the options. Reboot system now, wipe data, and apply update. You're not resetting yet, you're simply locating the reboot option. If the menu never appears, stop and try the alternate key combo. Volume up plus power, this may be model dependent. Now you'll actively cancel recovery mode. Use the volume up/down keys to navigate the list and press power to confirm. Highlight Reboot System now, then press power. This instructs the bootloader to restart into normal Android. If your recovery supports touch, tap Reboot instead. It's faster. Once selected, watch for the Oppo logo and allow up to 3 minutes for a full boot. If the phone loops back to recovery, do not factory reset yet. Pause and prepare the ADB method described next. If the device returns to recovery, connect to a PC and run a DB reboot. This forces a normal restart without data loss. Make sure USB debugging was enabled beforehand. If not, remove SD and SIM, then try the key combo again. If the phone still loops, download the official Oppo recovery or flash package and follow the vendor tool instructions. One key troubleshooting tip. Attempt a DB reboot first. It's quick and often resolves transient recovery loops without risking personal data or needing a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.